don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Marumo Kala 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Joga Parks.
Yeah, Tibos. My friends with at home. Yeah, this is a football.
Yeah, man.
Football, but we can kill you. What?
A real day.
A real dead. Football can kill you real dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a football.
Yes.
I think now, so thank you for inviting us guys uba sizoshare nani ama-ideas wethu ngomdlalo esiwubonile eBloem.
Yes.
Okokuqala nje ngibonge i-attendance yabalandeli. I'm that one always approacha into enhle from balandeli abatravel all out from Gauteng, Northwest, KZN, bokweseka ama-team wabo. Lokho ngiyakubonga kakhulu. We show ukuthi ngempela soma true supporters.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I think yesterday uma ngicomplaina ngo Eric Tinkler ne team yakhe kuma viewers ukona tena ngiyathanda ukuthi bonke abaqeqeshi ama sell out. But with a reason.
Yes.
Even today I will come back say imarumo abanye laba bama sell out. Remember uma sizokhumbuzana mina nawe Tibos nabalandeli nje abathanda ezemidlalo inetwork ehleli functiona ngendlela ephelele 100%. Iparis first game yethu kubhethwe show yini
Marumo Kala. Skukhuni, yeah.
Second game
Marumo Kala.
ngizama ukuthi ngithatha abalandeli ngibabeke esithombeni. Why I'm always say lama team ama sell out. Yeah. Without fear or favor. Yeah, awukwazi ukuthi uzoba stronger eteamini A1 kwi Orlando Pirates only.
Yeah.
Mase kuzwa kwamanye ama team okumele ba prove your point. Bese wena uhambisa ama point. Uyahlela. Uyabona nje manje thina sanjelo 6 point because of isikhukhuni nemarumo. Today isikhukhuni nemarumo endaniba phela tight sibonakala la performance esayenza isizini mayiqala. Sesiqala manje sithethela ama point and sithethela ama point in the wrong opposition.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Our enemies all the time.
Yeah.
Enemies for 90 minutes football lovers. Let me correct this. Because I know nina ningavele nilimazana mwazi kwaziwa umagama ukuthi nama enemy. No guys, asiwona ama enemy kwe football waselithanda but for 90 minutes we are real enemies.
Yes.
Because each and everyone they need that 3 point, they need that win. That's why I get yesterday isikhukhuni siphe iSundowns 3 point. Southampton with Pirates.
Yeah.
Today is a Wednesday. Marumo Karantina or Marumo Karant.
Yeah.
Sinikeza Kaizer Chiefs 3 point. For a reason. That's for what? For reshuffling. Pirates I think kuba ibe on top. Pirates should be and down. Instead of going up.
GNU.
Yabona manje.
Yeah.
Sundowns on top.
Yeah.
Position 1. Kaizer Chiefs position 2.
Pirates position 3.
Of which we wanted Pirates position 3. Of which let's wait for Saturday.
Yeah.
Let's give these 3 days for Kaizer Chiefs enjoy.
Yeah.
From today as a Wednesday, tomorrow as a Thursday, and Friday. Saturday, please, Abdullah, with your company, players, this is a real challenge now.
Yeah.
This message for yesterday and today, they straight to you say, guys, Orlando Pirates players and coach, management, pull up your socks.
Yeah.
if we are real need this Betway. Otherwise, Saturday, do or die. You should be win the game if you chase this Betway. Otherwise,
score.
But we as the Orlando Pirates supporters, we're going to stand and play our role as a player number 12. We want to make sure Saturday the ticket is going to be sold out, so that be proud with us as a supporters. Now we see the challenge. This challenge is not only you players and management of Orlando Pirates Football Club, but the challenge is for us all as the Orlando Pirates family. Yeah, I think now each and everyone othanda Pirates at home akaprepare manje imali yakhe yokuthenga amathikithi abukele iPirates ayokweseka iPirates, because sizodlala neMagesi. From Magesi kube break yeNedbank. After Nedbank we're coming back again sidlala namaZulu. After maZulu siyabuya sizodlala neMarumo, bese sibuye sizodlala neSundowns, bese sibuye sidlala iDerby. You see lama game wonke ukuthi now are heavy.
Very.
Abo Mangesi sebebalekela izembe.
Yeah.
We're going to be stubborn. Kodwa unfortunately, because sekuke Orlando Amstel Arena now sokwenza umlando. Manje siuqopha umlando. But ngifuna ukuthi now to Orlando Pirates players, there is no time to play. Take each and every game very, very serious. Like a final, guys. Now for you guys, it's a do or die, no matter what.
Yeah.
All your games now is a do or die. Yeah. Away, home is a do or die. And I trust you. And from now, we are pumping. I will go and pray. Ukuthi singa disappointwa abo Satan nemithandazo yamamenemene ethi Pirates mayizodlala amamenemene abethandazela ukuthi iPirates lose. No, na uNkulunkulu ngizomcela ukuthi akangasabi imenemene manje uNkulunkulu akastike kwiline yakhe, because mayizamane evumela lemthandazo yokuthi abantu bafisele into ezimbi don't izogcina ngasijabulisi. But engikubonile kuhle ake ngithi esathi nomdlalo ngene washenja everything. Esikhuluma ukuthi namhlanje iShips lale iposition 2 ino 3 point Gatchen pick up boy. It talent ilako, no one can take it from you. Respect your talent, do your job as usual. Most umsebenzi, my man of the match Gatchen, because today iShips is a pushing 2. But mapakania ayibonana esikotini bafowethu. Ama viewers at home, ama friends wethu, love you all for free.
Once and always.
Once and always.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman.